Yeah, you guys might be wondering why I'm walking down the road. Don't worry, my car is not broken down. It's just here in this place, Oxford Audi. Uh, the car was called for a recall, so I had to bring it here to have it fixed, which was the passenger airbag. And they also done like a check, a health check on the car. So I'll show you the video that they sent to me of the check. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go in and get my car back in it. I got the paperwork done. Which one should I pick? That one there, obviously. Oh yeah, they washed it very clean. I love it. Yeah. So here we are, back home already. So yeah, the airbag light is off finally, because if you notice on the previous videos it was always on the dash. So that's out of the way, and then they gave me an invoice here, not an invoice but like it's just to detail whatever work they've done, as you can see here. And then they gave me, because they've done the health check, they also gave me the like a bit of kind of like the stuff that needs to be done on this car, which is a lot. Well, obviously most things here, this is what the scanner that they have there came up with. So warning lamp, the bulb was on the warning light, but that has been replaced already. Airbag warning light gone, and then there's a crash sensor, and then the airbag igniter, and all many other bits. And basically, like, they just put here the rear pads, the percentage of the worn, if they are worn or not, and the service book, which is missing. I don't care. Brake fluid needs to be done, but that's easy as well. Just need to flush it. Cam belt needs to be done. I'll do it soon. And then oil service, I've done it already, and a few other bits. And look at the prices. You do the maths. If you want, you can pause the video and then do your maths. But basically, all of this, if it was done in Audi garage, this is how much it would have cost. Almost £5,000. You know, like I'm shitting money, but yeah. This is the work required, as I mentioned before. But most things here, they've been done by me, but obviously because I'm not a garage or anything, then it doesn't get recorded, and I don't have the service book as well. So obviously that's another one, and then more stuff about the tires. And yeah, so now I'm just going to show you the video that they've done when they were inspecting the underneath of the car, which like for the age of the car is pretty good. Well, yeah, could be worse, could be better, but we move. But yeah, I'll just show you the video.
Good day. A quick rundown of your vehicle here at Audi Oxford. Starting off with the front tire on the right hand side of the vehicle. The tire is 4 mm of tread. Would advise replacement in the near future. All the front suspension components are looking good. Drive shaft is looking good. Shock absorber is looking good, as well as the drop links. Underside of the engine is looking okay. Crossing over to the left, all the suspension components are looking good on the left. Drive shaft is looking good. Shock absorber and drop link are looking good as well. The tire on the front left is 4 mm of tread, still okay. It does have some light damage, but not cut to the cords. Moving on to the brakes. Front brakes are around about 10% worn, and the disc is still in a very good condition. Now running down the bottom to the back, side trims look okay. There is slight damage on either side, but still quite secure. Exhaust system's looking okay. Secure, no leaks. Moving on to the rear suspension, starting with the left hand side. All the suspension components are looking good on the rear left. Shock absorber and coil spring are looking good. There is some notable corrosion on the rear, on most components on the rear axle. The tire on the rear left is 4.9 mil of tread, still very good. Crossing over to the right, all the suspension components are looking good on the right. Shock absorber and coil spring are looking good. There is also some notable corrosion on most components on the rear axle. Tire on the rear right is 5 mil of tread. A look at the rear brakes. Rear brake pads are around about 50% worn, and the disc is in an okay condition. Moving on to the back box and exhaust tailpiece. That looks all good on both sides and all the way out to the back. That's all, thank you.
So yeah, as you guys saw, it's not in a bad condition. For the age and the mileage that it's got, not bad. I'm pretty happy with it. Well, yeah, we keep moving. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.